Welcome to Kim Fixes Things. Today we're working on a 1961 Studebaker Lark inline 6-cylinder engine. I guess I love the inline sixes. This car belongs to Buff Del Campo, and he said that he thought it was absurd that it's never going to run again. Nobody has ever heard it run, and we didn't know if there was some kind of engine damage. Why would they have taken the front cover off? It's gears, not a timing chain, and they appear to be in really good condition. I'm going to see if I can actually get it to run. We're going to show you, the steps that we go through to troubleshoot. Make it happen. What do we need to do? I found those parts in a box that went with the car, but it's rusty and it wasn't going together very smoothly. Oh, yeah, she's turning. Ready to go. All right. That's easy. Baker. I was gonna put this wrench on her, but she's turning. Go. It makes a lot of noise. Wouldn't you know it, she wasn't seized up at all. She's been in dry storage, so she spun over nice and free, which was a great place to start on a revival. And now that we have it spinning, let's figure out how to make this sucker go. So we're gonna show you piece by piece, step by step. All right, so I took the cap off. The rotor looks good, but if you look at your points here, look at the gap on those points. It's pretty wide gap there. That's up at the top. Now we'll give her a little twist. That's bottom, and they never close. So that could right there, something simple like that. Those don't close. That'll never run. So it could have been something as simple as that idled this thing for all them years. Well, for some reason, the screw that retains the points, you can see it right there, it is stripped. It won't go in or out, it won't get tight, and it won't get loose. So you can't really adjust the points. The gap was set real wide, but I can't change it because it's nothing to hold it down tight. So I pulled the distributor out. That's wild the way it goes in there. And we're just gonna, I guess, take it apart and fix whatever's wrong with that screw so we can bolt the points back down. So that's today on the It'll Never Run Again Studebaker. I want to pull off this valve cover. And you're seeing it first time, same as me.
Hold it.
What do you think?
This is a Studebaker.
We already have that in the video. I don't know how the oiling in this works. There's a little bit of oil there. Doesn't look bad. It's not rusty or anything. Here, I'll turn it with a wrench. You can observe things moving. Can you see okay?
Yes.
Everything seems to be moving.
I don't know what you're doing.
Bouncy. Let's check for stuck valves.
Look at those little tiny springs.
Well, that one's open already.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everything seems to be working in there. As you can see, we have our new distributor. Well, new, acquired, and our dipstick. Zip stick, as we are going to affectionately call it. This here carburetor is a slightly different model. I think it came off as 63. That we got it from Mopar Al. Seems like the leverages will line up the same. So since it's free, and we were told that even the accelerator pump works, so we're going to take this off and start with something that does something. I might just take this bowl off and clean it out before I run it, but it seems like we've got to We've got a distributor with a good working plate. We've got a carburetor with a moving parts. Everything's good there. As far as I can guess, they took this timing cover off because they didn't know how to fix the distributor. Maybe we won't even worry about putting that back together until we do our first start. We pulled our spark plugs out, poured half a cup of oil in every cylinder, and turned it around and around and around and around. And we're getting darn near ready to give us a first start in 20 years or something. We don't really know. We don't really know, but it sure looks like it was sitting in the dirty old desert for a long time.